Hey guys, it's Philip here at Hertrick Honda Kia in Easton, Maryland again. Today I have a really special video for you. I have the 2021 Kia K5. So onto the front of the vehicle here. This is Kia's new Tiger Face Grille. They used to call it the Tiger Nose Grille because it's just on the front of the vehicle there. Now it extends all the way to the headlights, which is pretty nice. You have the LED headlights here. Every 2021 Kia K5 will be getting standard LED headlights. Coming around under the side here, you have your GT line wheels. These are the same design wheels as you will find on the EX. The only difference is that it's black painted instead of the gray painted that the EX has, which is another trim level above this one, the GT line. This exterior paint color is called Wolf Gray. It's a new color for 2021. You'll see it in some of the Kia models, but it's called Wolf Gray, which is really nice. This is the GT line with the premium package. Up on the top there, you'll see the panoramic sunroof. You also have your LED turn signals here on the mirror. These mirrors remind me a lot of the Kia Stinger, and I think that's what the kind of the design language that they're going for here. Coming around here on the back, you'll see you have a little rear spoiler on the K5. It's the black rear spoiler there, you can see. LED lights here on the back. You have LED lights that go all the way across the vehicle, and then you have your halogen turn signals and then halogen reverse lights there. You'll see the Kia K5 badge, and then this is of course the GT line. Let me open up this trunk. There's a button right here that you just press and it pops right open. This is a very big trunk, plenty of space for everybody, and this is what the mats look like. Little Kia K5 badge on it there. Can't speak, guys, sorry. And then just close it on up. Let me take you on the inside of the vehicle, guys, and I will show you the interior of the 2021 Kia K5. All right, so coming to the rear of the car, this is the back seat here. Red leather that goes all the way through the vehicle. Really nice red leatherette. I really like this leather a lot. Down here below, you have two USB ports for all of the charging and accessories that your kids or family members really like to have in the back there. The red accents are also here on the door, power window. And then coming around here on the front, you'll hear the alarm going off because I have the key in my pocket. So coming right here, you have power seat. You have lumbar support and then the power seat there. Again, the red leatherette, which is really nice. And then you have GT line embossed into it, which really looks cool. Steering wheel right here. Let me jump on in and I'll show you the steering wheel real quick. So here is the design of the steering wheel. It is a D-shaped steering wheel because it is the GT line. You'll get this steering wheel shape on the GT line and on the GT that's coming later on this year. But on this side here, you have the controls for the, you'll see the middle screen there between the tachometer and speedometer, and you can control it right by this. You can also control it by this little piece of paper button there, and it siphons through other menus on the vehicle. You also have your cruise control, which it does have the adaptive cruise control, and then this is also part of that for the steering here. Right over here, you got the Bluetooth, the phone controls. You also have the volume up and down. You can select through the menus there. This is also for your mode for your radio. And then also voice control, that if you have your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto hooked up, you can use this for Siri or Google, whatever one works for you on your phone. Over here, you got the lane departure warning and traction control off buttons with the illumination for the inside of the vehicle. You also have the trunk release right here if you ever need to go here as well. On the side of the door, let me shut the door real quick. Really good thunk. Power windows all the way around. Coming on over here to the center stack, I'm going to turn this fan down a little bit. So here on the center screen here, this is a 8-inch touch screen. You have your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay capabilities. This is also the first Kia that's going to have wireless USB or wireless, wireless Apple CarPlay. Sorry guys, I can't talk today. Wireless Apple CarPlay that you can hook up right there and it will display on the whole screen. volume knobs here to turn the radio up and down. Then you have, of course, the hard buttons on the side here. And then of course you can turn the stations, the radio stations, with this knob on this side. Right down below that you have the hazard lights that you can turn on. You also, down below that, you have standard dual zone climate control. So in every single 2021 Kia K5, you will have dual zone automatic climate control that you can turn the temperature to however you want to do it. You can do it on, you know, the passenger side can have their own setting, or the driver could have his own setting, or you can just sync them up and just do it, you know, together. Whatever you guys want to do, there is dual zone automatic climate control, which is really nice. Of course, down right below that, you have the buttons, the fan speed, and all the different modes. Right below that, you have, let me get the phone in there a little bit, you have one USB port that hooks up to the infotainment system, the touchscreen above. You have one 12-volt outlet, and then you have one fast charging USB port for the devices. Coming on down, you have the traditional shifter that's hooked up to the 8-speed automatic transmission. And this does, you can shift this down, I'll show you, and move it over to shift up and down through the gears how you would like. Cup holders there. Right below that, you have the electronic parking brake, and then you also have the auto hold for the brake there if you're stuck in traffic or at red lights. Right below that, you have the drive mode selector, and there are 4 different drive modes. There's Sport, Normal, Smart, and let's see, Custom. Custom's the other one. Right below that, you have the wireless charger, so you can slide your phone in here, and it will go down and charge your phone wirelessly, as long as your phone is compatible with it. Coming around here on the other side, air vent over there, of course the red leatherette, and then that GT line is embossed in this red leatherette as well. Looks really, really good. I really like this interior color. Guys, let me get out of the vehicle, wrap this video up, and if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment in the section down below. Thanks. All right, guys, so that wraps up this video of the 2021 Kia K5 GT line. Guys, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My email address is tpaul@hertrix.com, or you can call us here at the store. Our number is 410-822-7717, or you can message us anytime on YouTube. Feel free to shoot us a message, call us, text us, email. You do whatever you want to do to get a hold of us. Guys, this vehicle is available and ready to go and find a new home. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks, guys. See you in the next video.